Pt2. Let me see. I think. Is it seriously just 2 screws left holding this thing on? I don't know if that's the quantity of screws that are supposed to be holding it on. Makes sense though, everything else is already off. Kind of scary how easy it comes apart. Look at that. Look guys, we got Street Fighter. Oh yeah, these are all OEM fairings. Oh. His nose has been cracked. See, look at that hacked up job in there. It's holding. I think I'm just gonna keep these fairings though, just in case. I'll wash them off because they're oily and greasy and dirty as shit. Alright guys, as you can see, we are all stripped down to a headlight. Obviously the motor. Still a roller. We're gonna be for now. I still gotta be able to move it around the shop. Front tires getting changed out, plus a different rim, I think. That one's got a bend in it. Now we can see down in here. See the full Yoshi header, collector, mid pipe, and then the RS5 that we'll put back on. This motor definitely needs a bunch of cleaning, some check-in, but we knew when we bought this bike we were gonna do some tidying up. We're gonna keep going here. We gotta pull the gas tank. I gotta do some more electrical work on the gas tank. I'm gonna do some electrical work here. Chopped up harness, wires everywhere. So we'll clean all that up. Here's a fuel pump wiring harness. Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. So I guess the next step is, oh, here we go. More hardware that's not correct. Fasteners that aren't correct. And then we got this issue. We got some leak. Doesn't look like anything major. Some is gonna be road grime, but we definitely have an upper, I'm gonna say top end. I'm gonna guess valve cover gasket is leaking, but that's okay because we're gonna open her up anyways. And oh yeah, so that's missing the hardware there too. So alright guys, I'm not sure how long this video will take. I'm sure probably longer than it should have been. But that's stripping the bike down until we get back out here in the shop next time. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.